Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sat with a coffee. I am feeling super chilled. It is currently Friday afternoon and I'm not at work. I went to see the 1975 last night and they were so good. Me and my friend went to Manchester and I'm not gonna lie, that was probably the first gig I've ever been to, like proper concert. I mean, I've been to see Elton John, but I can't really say that was a gig. It wasn't a gig, was it? I've also seen Will Young live as well. That wasn't a gig either, that was in a forest. So cheers to my first gig experience last night. It's not really the kind of thing that I'd imagine myself enjoying, but I actually really did enjoy it. It was great. I friggin' love the 1975. I was really going for it. I mean, I definitely got my £32.50 worth of ticket cost. Did that even make sense? Probably didn't. Okay, let's actually get into what you're here for. The haul. In fact, I'm keeping my coffee. I'm keeping my coffee for the intro. I'm keeping it, why not? So today's video is going to be a styling my Primark haul video. I got inspired by Lucy Moon's video. You've probably heard of her, but if you haven't, then go check her out. I'll link her channel in the description if I remember, and you can go watch her video. She basically used to do Primark hauls every single month, quite like me, and literally just go all out, like get loads and loads of stuff, and then she decided that she was going to think more tactfully. Is that a word? You know what I mean? You know what I mean. She basically was going to think about what she was buying more and choose stuff that she was actually going to wear for a really long time rather than just buying loads of stuff because it was super cheap, which is literally my thought process every time I go into Primark. I'm just like, oh yeah, I'll get it because it's going to be cheap. But then every month I've spent like 60 odd quid in Primark and I probably didn't need to. So I went in this month just after payday. It was great. And I've picked out some basics, as in like stuff that will last me a long time, hopefully, and stuff that's timeless. I've got like jeans, skirt, I've got a bikini in there. I've just got other bits and bobs that are gonna last me a long time. And plus I haven't done a Primark haul on this channel in a while, so I thought I just wanted to catch up with you guys, let you know what is in there at the minute and let you know what I've bought. So yeah, I'm hoping that today's video is going to be a little bit different to a usual Primark haul. I'm going to be showing you like actually how I'd style each piece and what I'd put it with, and maybe give you guys some inspiration. Quite a lot of this stuff I've actually already tried on in the changing rooms, which is something that I never do. I always get a load of stuff, buy it, and then bring it home and try it on, and then if I don't like it I'll take it back. And then I went in the other day and I was like, why am I even doing that when I've got time to actually try it on, and there is literally facilities right there for me to try it on. So I actually did what you meant to do and tried it on in the fitting rooms, so I haven't bought anything that doesn't fit or that I don't like. So everything in this haul is going to be stuff that I'm keeping / really love. I do actually love everything, so yeah, brilliant. Yeah, I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, be sure to give it a big thumbs up down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let's just get into it. Oh my god, shall I down my coffee before I actually start the video? Can I do it? We like to drink with Leah, she gets it down in. Hey. Okay, cheers to caffeine. 2K10 plus 9, caffeine rush. Okay, so I'm going to start with a pair of jeans because I've never actually got on with a pair of jeans from Primark before. I've never bought them and thought, oh my god, I'm in love, they're my favourite jeans ever. However, these bad boys caught my eye. I'm going to come up a little bit, I might zoom you out as well. Oh, damn girl. That lamp does not look attractive, does it? Oh, my background's not looking on fleek now, is it? Ugly light in the shot, massive Co-op water bottle in the shot, pack of tissues with fairies on in the shot. I'm so professional. So I got these vintage mom high waist jeans. So these were, I'm going to tell you the price of everything so I don't forget. These were £13, got them in a size 10. They are my favourite colour denim. They roll up at the bottom. Well, you don't obviously have to roll them up, but I think they look better rolled up. So this is what they look like. I really liked the fit of these. I think it's really hard to find jeans that fit you on your waist nice, fit you on your thighs nice, and are a nice length. And these seem to have it all. They have it all, my loves. They've just got the usual 2 pockets at the front, 2 pockets at the back. It's actually really cold here in England at the minute, and I don't even know if I'd be able to wear these. Like right now I've got leggings on and then a pair of jeans on top. Don't know if I could fit leggings underneath these because they do fit quite nicely. Like, I don't think I could fit a pair of leggings underneath as well. However, they'd be really good as it starts getting a little bit warmer. Hashtag it's not getting warmer anytime soon, but I'm just hashtag hoping. Lots of hashtags. So yeah, they're the first things that I got. Really like them. They had these in like a really dark denim as well, which were really nice. But I didn't want to spend £26 on some jeans, so I just got one pair for now. Really like them. Okay, the next thing is this very, very comfortable, I think this is actually the most comfortable thing in this haul. If you've watched me for a while, you will know that I literally am obsessed with comfortable clothes. Like, if something is not comfortable, like mum jeans are not the most comfortable, I'm just like, meh. So anyway, this is really comfortable. It is a black long midi skirt and it's got a slit down the side. Don't know if you can see that too well. Can you even see the slit? You probably can't, can you? This haul's going really well, isn't it? It's going really well. Okay, I got this in a size 10 and it was, I think it was £6. Where's the tag gone? Oh, there it is. Yeah, £6, which is a bargain. It's got an elastic waist, which is amazing. I just thought this would look really, really cool with a jumper, like a big baggy jumper on top. Like, you could really layer this up and it would look really nice with like heeled boots or even trainers. Because it's quite a simple, basic piece, I just figured that you could get this in like ASOS, Topshop, somewhere more expensive. And stuff like this, you can't really tell where it's from. Not that there's anything bad with buying stuff from Primark. I'm just saying if you like a more expensive look or you don't want people knowing where you've got your stuff from, I just feel like you could easily hide this, if you know what I mean. Like, because it's just a plain black skirt, you could kind of get it from anywhere, so you may as well go to Primark. That's my logic anyway. Oh my god, this next thing. I love it! I love him, I love him, I love him. And where he goes I follow, I'll follow, I'll follow. Do you know this? I will follow him. Follow him wherever he may go. Ooh. If you know what film that is from, comment down below, because I swear to god, if anybody knows what film that is from, I think I'll lose my shit, because I freaking love that song so much. Oh my god. Anyway, moving on to this absolute gem of an item. It is this silky skirt. Oh, I love it. This was, let me tell you the price. This was £10. It is kind of elasticy at the waist. I don't know if you can see that too well, but it is elasticy. I think this looks really expensive, I'm not gonna lie. I do feel like I could have spent about 40 quid on this, and yeah, I mean, I love it. What sort of animal print is that? Is it like a leopard? Like a weird disjointed leopard pattern? Forever describing things and making them sound like shit. Whoop whoop. I thought this would look super nice with a nice baggy black jumper over the top with some nice heeled boots. Like, this is so nice for going out. It's really thin, like a seriously thin silky material. It's not like proper silk, by the way. It's not proper silk, but it is a really nice soft material, and at a glance I do think it looks like silk anyway. So I mean, it doesn't bother me if something's not real silk. I think it looks it, and I just absolutely love this skirt. I would love to wear this out like ASAP, but I feel like it's too cold, so I might just wear it around the house. Who knows? I sometimes actually buy clothes, know that I can't wear them out, and just wear them around the house instead. I'm so sad. They only had in the, I went to the Leeds Trinity store, by the way, they only had this colour / pattern of this skirt, but there was so many of them, so presumably they're going to bring out more stuff like this, and if they do, then I'm going to be straight back in Primark because I absolutely love it. Should tell you what, this would look cute with a nice leather jacket, like a black leather jacket, or you could even wear it with like a massive oversized long black coat. Yes. Okay, the next thing I got is definitely not for this time of year. It is definitely for summer, but it is another super basic item, and it is this denim mini skirt. It's high waist. I got it in a size 10. Did I get it in a size 10? Oh my god, I thought I got it in a size 18 for a second there, and I was like, oh. This is actually one of the things that Lucy Moon got, so I was kind of inspired because it looked really cute on her. So this was a grand total of £10. You could definitely spend about £30 or £40 in Topshop getting something that looks identical to this, so £10, I'm buzzing. It's gonna look so cute for summer. I can imagine this with some nice chunky trainers, a cute little tee. I'm definitely gonna get my wear out of this. This is gonna look super cute on holiday, and even for like city breaks and stuff. Oh my god, so the next thing is something that I'm not gonna be necessarily like trying on, because I don't really try swimwear on my channel, because I'm just not about getting the naked body out, do you know what I mean? I don't feel like I wanna. However, I will show you this cute bikini because it's cute, I'm telling you, it's really cute. So they've obviously started to bring out all the swimwear now, which is so exciting because it's kind of giving me a little bit of hope that summer is coming, even though we kind of know that it's not, and we've still got like 2 or 3 months left of this shit weather. I still have a little bit of hope. Cheers Primark, love you. Okay, this is the bikini. I love it. They had it in a few different colours, but I got red because red is the colour of love. So it looks like this. Let me get the bottoms. I actually got matching bottoms, which I never ever do. How cute is that? Super cute. It's like this material. Let me show you the material. It's like ribbed. Can you see that? Oh no, my god, it's not ribbed, it's crinkle. crinkle, that's what it's called. It's like a crinkle cut, like a crinkle cut crisp or a crinkle cut potato wedge. Great comparison. Now this, now that I'm holding it up, looks really small, but I have tried it on and it fits like a gem. So it's actually super comfy as well. That's one of the reasons that I got it. I don't really need any more bikinis. However, this was just super comfortable, and I'm going to Budapest in a couple months and they've got like a thermal spa, and that is my first holiday of the year where I'll probably be wearing like my first bikini of the year. There is literally nothing worse as a woman. I can't really speak for men, but as a woman, and probably I imagine for men as well, when you are in an environment where you're surrounded by naked people, basically, because at pools, on holiday, at the beach, when everyone's wearing bikinis and stuff, people are pretty much naked, let's be fair. There's nothing worse than feeling uncomfortable in what you're wearing, and even if you're not the most confident in yourself, I do feel like wearing swimwear that makes you feel okay helps so much. I have been in that situation where you're wearing something where you feel really self-conscious, you've got something that maybe doesn't fit right, or that something's hanging out or whatever, and it's just one of the worst things ever. So even if I had to spend £50 on good swimwear, like stuff that I actually felt okay in, I would. And this was £6 and these were £4, so £10 for a really comfortable bikini that I feel good in is just so worth the money, and it's not even expensive anyway. But I feel like if you've been in that situation yourself where you've felt like self-conscious, it's just such a horrible feeling when you're in that environment when people are like in bikinis, and there's always that girl or that boy who have like just come out of the gym and they look amazing, and you just look at yourself and you're like, okay, I feel like shit. And I don't know, I mean, I'm getting off on a bit of a tangent here, but basically this is a really cute bikini, and I definitely hit up Primark this year if you're going away, or if you know that you've got to go to a swimming pool, anything where you've got to wear a bikini, have a little look in Primark because there is actually some really good stuff. Okay, so the next couple of things are actually accessories, which is something that I don't normally venture into. I'm going to zoom you in a little bit because I'm going to do a bit of a demo. But yeah, accessories is something that I don't really tend to experiment that much with because I'm always just scared. I'm just scared of how I'll feel when I've got an accessory on. So I thought I'd show you the first thing, which was this headband. Now I appreciate it looks like a handkerchief. However, the way that I've been styling it is a bit like this. Now, I don't think I'd have the bun in. However, I sort of put it at the back of my hair, pull it round, tie it up like this. Can't really see too well in my viewfinder. And sort of, oh, that's not cool, is it? Having the label out and having it like this, and it actually looks super cute. This was £2.50. I got leopard print because I flipping love leopard print at the minute. I'm obsessed, and it's just really cute. It holds your hair back. Now if you like the look of this but you're thinking, oh my god, I would never wear that out, I would still get one and use it for like when you're taking off your makeup because it just pulls your hair back really nice. That's what I used it for at first, and then I actually went to work in it and I got so many compliments from it because it's just something a bit different, isn't it? It went down a treat and I was buzzing about it because then it kind of gives me the incentive to buy another one. I also got, I'm going to leave it in for 2 seconds so that our eyes can adjust to the fact that I've got it on. I also got this little headband, which is like this snake print. It ties up at the top here. This was £2.50. Really cute. So this just acts as a headband and you just put it on like that. Oh, I'm looking good. And then I got the same one in black as well, which ties at the top just the same, and this was £2.50 as well. Yeah, I got those. I just thought I'd experiment a little bit. I thought they'd be really nice for when I go on holiday at the beach and stuff, just getting your hair out of your face, and they're okay if you get them a little bit wet in the pool and stuff. So yeah, I got 2 of those. I'm gonna actually take this out now. Oh laddie. And last but not least, I just wanted to put these in this haul. I picked up these soothing eye patches, basically just like little eye masks, and they go underneath your eyes here. And I picked up this pack and they were £1, and I didn't realise, but you actually get loads and loads of the eye patches. So it says on the front 15 treatments, so you get to use these 15 times. So £1 for 15 is like, oh my god. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll notice that I have been obsessed with face masks recently, and literally about 3 times a week I've been using a face mask, which is probably a little bit excessive, but I just really like them and they're so refreshing and soothing. And I've also been a little bit obsessed with eye masks, so when I spotted these in Primark I was just like, oh my god, they're really nice. So if you're wanting some really good budget eye masks, then I would definitely say pick up these. Primark, £1, really good. So yeah, I just think Primark is getting better and better with like beauty and stuff. I buy so much stuff from there, and they've even started doing like little mini Garnier micellar waters for like 90p, so yeah. Okay guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. I really do hope you enjoyed it. I absolutely love everything that I got, and I hope that you've been a little bit inspired to maybe go into Primark, maybe try some new stuff. Who knows? If you did enjoy today's video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below as well if you haven't already. I really want to hit 15,000 subscribers at some point this year. That is my 2019 goal, to hit 15,000 subscribers. So if you want to join the fam, please do hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you next week for another video. Bye guys!